Here, and today we are going to do the fourth block, the events. Here in the previous videos we have done the motion, the looks one, the sound, even the sound one, and now we are moving towards the fourth section, the events. So in this chapter, this is pretty small, but this is pretty complicated and the one of the most important blocks in the scratch here. So we'll do it for 3 to 4 parts here because it's a bit lengthy. So in this lecture we are main focus on these two blocks: when the green flag clicked and when the space pressed. Okay. So as you normally see, we say programs here, take some different blocks here and then press it, and then they report it as a sprite, and then they activate it like that. Now you see hello, and then you switch to costume here, and then verse with here. So you can see that we put different costumes in, and then it actually works there. So this is the pressure, we press it and the code runs it. But as you see, this is a full screen. If you screen the full press, then it will be a bit more vigilant and more visible to us in a larger screen. Most of us love to screen a full screen, not just half one. But normally we all know that if we have to, then we have to press the code, and press the code here, and then quickly to full the screen here, and you can miss one or two blocks in the scratch sprite. So no worry for that, because the events has the when the green flag clicked. So you can see that in most of the events had the first block, which means that you can see that the shape over here, so you can't join before it. So you can see that I can't join it. We can join under it or not upside it. So when you full screen it and press this green flag over the stage, you press it, it says hello, and then the code is switched to the next costume. So it's much pretty easier, and now we can edit in a full screen too. So it's a very healthy and a very green flag click too. So as you see that we have another button after the green flag clicked, is that the red one. It means stop here. We can't stop during the program. We can stop during the program here. I want to stop it here. Now it's completely stop here. When I to go it's when we will press the green flag here, and then it will reset it. Yep, you can see that it's stopping it and then it's restarting it. Go and stop. Okay, so this is a program here. So if you see that another block, when the space key pressed, this is also another first block here. You can't join it in the upside column here. So that's pretty easier. So you can see that when the space key pressed here, when I place my okay. So first we join this. Now let's maximize it, the stage. And when I space key pressed, yep, you can see that whenever I press my space key bar, and it performs the action in the code here. So not only that, we can space key press here, you can also do this maximize up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, any you can see any arrow, and and then we have a letter and numbers here. So variety of buttons are being there. Let's choose our up arrow, by the way. So when the up arrow is being pressed, let's delete these two blocks here. Let's go to motion here and say that change X by 10 here. No, change Y by 10, and we go to events here and take another block of here and say the down arrow, and we will go to motion again, and you'll see that it will have change Y by 10, not the 10. It will change Y by minus 10. You can see that here. So whenever I press the up arrow, it moves up. When I press the down arrow, it moves down. You can see that you can actually make a control here, and if you want to move right and left, you have to do is simple, not any complicated stuff is being going on here. Just to write that when the right arrow being pressed and when the left arrow is being pressed. So go to motion, you have to just basically change the x value by 10 here, and then you have to change the x value by -10 here. So as you can see now, we can move it to all the 4 directions here. Yep, down, up, right and left here. So it's pretty easy now to move the cat without any changing the value of the x, so we can program it here. So it's pretty easy now. So this is the function and this is the requirement of the when the split screen is being pressed here. So it's pretty easy and pretty helpful for to make some games, to make some program here. So I love this program here today. When the down arrow and this here press, and then the last we have many more blocks here, but we will learn them in another episode or another part here. It's all for today. Let's go. Bye bye.